Welcome to The Explainer. Today we are taking a really fascinating look under the hood of YouTube to reverse engineer viral success. We're exploring a specific digital assembly line, a meticulously crafted system that allows creators to generate massive views by leveraging automation and AI. If you've ever wondered how certain channels seemingly explode overnight with perfectly optimized content, well, you are absolutely in the right place. We are going to discover the exact blueprint derived straight from our source material on how these channels gain millions of views.
1.5 billion. I just want to let that number sink in for a moment. This brilliantly illustrates the sheer scale of the phenomenon we're unpacking today. Our source material highlights a specific Roblox channel that is literally only about 6 months old. In that incredibly short time span, it has amassed over 4 million subscribers and more than 1.5 billion views. To put that into perspective, that's equivalent to almost a fifth of the global population tuning in. Almost every single upload just blows up. And with numbers like that, the simple channel has likely generated hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not more, in just half a year.
Which brings us to the ultimate question, right? How do they do it without spending a single dime? This is what we call the zero barrier motif. The fascinating secret to this channel's massive numbers isn't getting incredibly lucky, and it certainly isn't a massive production budget. Instead, it's a completely free, highly repeatable, and coldly calculated AI assembly line. They have built a digital factory that pumps out viral content, and today we're going to walk through every single station of that factory. So, here is our roadmap. 1. The viral Roblox phenomenon. 2. Recording smooth background gameplay. 3. Scripting hooks with AI. 4. Generating AI voiceovers. 5. Editing for maximum retention. And 6. Finalizing the viral upload.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1. The viral Roblox phenomenon. Understanding the economics of the niche.
So the reason this specific Roblox niche is so incredibly lucrative really comes down to demographics. A massive portion of the views in this space come from the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. In the world of YouTube advertising, views from these specific countries pay significantly more because there's a much higher advertiser demand and, stronger consumer purchasing power in those regions. Because of these high-paying demographics, you don't actually need 1.5 billion views to make a living. Even a few 100,000 views in this specific niche can be highly profitable. There are channels with 1.6 million followers and others with over 6 million, regularly pulling in 80 to 120 million views per short. The economics here are just incredibly strong.
But perhaps the most exciting part is the barrier to entry, or, rather, the total lack of one. The traditional path to YouTube success demands expensive cameras, high-end microphones, paid editing software. Well, actually, scratch all of that. The modern viral system is entirely different. It relies on the free Roblox game, a free screen recorder, and free AI tools. This viral system requires absolutely zero financial investment to get started. It completely levels the playing field for anyone with an internet connection, basically trading money for a smart, structured process.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Section 2. Recording smooth background gameplay. Capturing the visual foundation.
All right, so this checklist is your filming schedule, essentially the first physical station of our digital assembly line. First, you download a free screen recorder like Bandicam, which runs smoothly on almost any computer. Then, you open up Roblox. But you don't just play any game. You specifically choose Obby, or obstacle course games, like Slap Tower or Mega Obby. Why? Well, the psychology here is brilliant. These games are absolutely perfect for short-form content because there's constant, vibrant movement happening on the screen at all times. It provides this constant baseline of visual stimulation that prevents the viewer's brain from getting bored while listening to the audio. You don't need to do crazy tricks or be a professional gamer. The only rule is that your movement must be smooth and the video must be clear. That constant, smooth movement is the crucial first step in retaining viewer attention.
Section 3. Scripting hooks with AI. Engineering viewer retention.
Now, without a compelling script, even the smoothest gameplay will cause viewers to swipe away in seconds, right? So instead of staring at a blank page fighting writer's block, we use AI as an instant, free writing team. Here is the exact prompting sequence. First, you open ChatGPT and explain that you're making Roblox Rants videos, describing the exact style you want. Second, you ask the AI for 5 video ideas, specifically requesting a catchy title, a short explanation of the video, and a strong opening line. That's your hook. Third, you review those 5 ideas and pick the best one. Finally, you tell ChatGPT to write a full script based on that single winning idea. It is truly amazing to see this workflow in action. What used to take hours of brainstorming is completely eliminated, turning the whole creative process into a 10-second breeze. And when you ask ChatGPT for that full script, you give it one very specific constraint, a strict 190-word limit. This specific number is not arbitrary at all. 190 words when spoken at a slightly accelerated pace mathematically hits the sub-60-second sweet spot for YouTube Shorts perfectly. It provides exactly enough time to deliver a complete, entertaining thought without dragging on and causing the audience to lose interest and, just swipe away.
Section 4. Generating AI voiceovers. Bringing the script to life.
So, moving on to the audio station of our factory. This process is incredibly fast. Using a free tool called DubDub, you simply paste your ChatGPT script into the text box. The source recommends selecting a very popular, engaging voice called Sam. You don't even need to mess with the advanced settings. Just keep the speed and pitch at the defaults and click Generate Speech. Just think about it. A few years ago, getting a professional voiceover like this would have required hiring a voice actor on a site like Fiverr and waiting days for delivery. Now, in mere seconds, plain text effortlessly becomes engaging, professional-sounding audio that's ready to be downloaded instantly.
Section 5. Editing for maximum retention. The CapCut algorithm hack.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the exact mathematical editing formula at play here. Inside the free CapCut software, you apply specific actions to each asset to keep viewers hooked. For the gameplay, you set the ratio to 9:16 for vertical viewing, zoom in to fill the screen, and speed the gameplay up to 2x to make it highly energetic. For the voiceover, you meticulously cut out every single moment of silence, speed the audio up to 1.2x, and turn on pitch correction so the voice still sounds natural, just faster. Finally, you add background music but aggressively lower the volume to -10 so it never overpowers the voiceover. The psychological effect of these edits is profound. Cutting out all silence and speeding up the voice creates a sense of artificial urgency that makes it incredibly hard for the human brain to disengage.
But a fast video isn't enough. You need what are called engagement spikes. To reset the viewer's attention and stop them from swiping, you deliberately interrupt the flow. When there's a dramatic moment in the script, you suddenly slow the gameplay down to 0.9x. You drop in funny memes sourced for free from Pinterest. You pair those memes with a loud Vine Boom sound effect downloaded from Pixabay. And throughout the entire video, you run auto captions using a bold, unmistakable font like Arial Black with a heavy drop shadow. It's almost funny to think about how short our collective attention spans have become, to the point where we need a Vine Boom and flashing bold colors just to make it through a 60-second story. But these sudden visual and auditory interruptions constantly refresh the viewer's dopamine, locking them into the video until the very end.
Section 6. Finalizing the viral upload. Priming the video for revenue.
Let's wrap up this assembly line by moving to the final YouTube Studio upload phase. Here is a vital insider tip from the source material on the final checklist. First, you paste in that catchy title that ChatGPT generated for you earlier. Second, and this is absolutely crucial, you must set the Made for Kids option to No. If you mark it as yes, YouTube automatically disables personalized ads, which completely tanks that lucrative ad revenue we discussed earlier. Third, you ensure monetization is actually toggled on to capture the revenue from those high-paying demographics. Finally, you set the visibility to public, hit publish, and let the algorithm do its work.
By breaking down this source material today, we've seen exactly how a channel can generate 1.5 billion views from scratch. The barrier to entry is entirely gone. The tools are completely free. The writing is automated by AI. The editing is a simple mathematical formula designed to hack human attention. The factory has been built, and the blueprint is yours. So the only question left to ask yourself is this: what niche will you conquer with this free AI system? Thanks for joining us on this explainer, and keep learning.